Hi everyone, I am Rajesh, a design verification training engineer at Semicon Technolabs. I am here to express my gratitude towards my training institute. The best part about the Semicon Technolabs is that you will be trained under the industry leads who are very much experienced enough so that you can bridge your gap between theoretical and practical things. You will get insights of the industry, you will be exposed to the industrial knowledge and the tools required for the projects. And the best part is that you can build the real-time projects with the help of the mentors. The mentors are really good because they train you whenever they need. They clear your doubts as and then whenever you have a doubt. And then you will be having a mock test conducted after every module so that you will be very much confident enough for the topic. And then after the training, you will be having so many mock interviews so that you will be very much confident enough to attend the real life interviews and crack the job. So I like to recommend everybody that you have to consider Semicon as the highest priority so that you will be very much happy enough that you will be trained with an industrial leads where you can bridge your theoretical and practical knowledge as well. Thank you.